Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a copy sign symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to insert a copyright symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer, I just going to show. So first of all, you just need to switch to this insert option here and just click on the symbol option. Just click on the more symbol option first. And here, if you are using any font, might be any font, but your subset should be on Latin supplement, Latin 1 supplement. So here you can find the copyright symbol. So this is how you just insert. So here also you have a custom symbol option. Here also you can insert the copyright symbol. Otherwise, just go inside. Actually, I said no. Just go inside the symbol option, click on the more symbol and choose the Latin supplement 1. So if you are changing the things, the symbol might be changed. You can see the symbol font might be changed if you're changing the font. So every font have a copyright symbol, but every font have a different type of copyright symbol. So you can use which font you just needed. The second way is to click on this more symbol and you just go to the special character. Here the standard copyright symbol that you can insert like this. This is how you just insert the copyright symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer or PC. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.